Hey guys, welcome back, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the zoom out feature when using Midjourney in Discord when generating AI images. So of course, first things first, make sure you are in a Discord server with the Midjourney bot available and accessible to make prompts with. So for example, let's make a prompt about super bikes racing in the track. Let's add a cinematic prompt, make it super resolution raw, and add the --S750 prompt. Let's give it a moment for the bot to do its thing. And there we go. We now have a bunch of AI generated images of our prompt. The next thing we want to do is we can select U4 to upscale image number 4 from the images that Midjourney generated for us. As you can see, it has now upscaled the image that we chose. And the next thing we want to do is create some variations. For now, let's choose a subtle variation. Click Submit, and let's let the Midjourney bot do its thing yet again. As you can see, we now have 4 subtle variations of the initial image we chose to generate. Now, let's go back to the initial image. And this time, let's try a more strong variation. As you can see, the differences between the subtle and strong variation options are quite evident. Now, let's do some more experimentation. And for now, let's make it generate an image of Tanjiro from Demon Slayer in battle, close up, looking at camera, raw, and adding the same --S space 750 options. As you can see, we now have a generated image of Tanjiro from Demon Slayer. For the purposes of this video, we're going to upscale one of these images yet again. Now, after generating all these images, let's access the settings menu of Midjourney. Do this by typing /settings. Then, with the settings list shown here, click on MJ version 5.2. Once you have that setting clicked, go back to the upscaled Tanjiro image we generated, and click on Zoom Out 2 times. As you can see, we went from a very close-up intense look to now having a generated zoomed out photo of the 4 variations of the upscaled image. Now, we can choose the one we want, and we can upscale one of the images yet again. Now, after upscaling one of the Tanjiro images, instead of clicking the default zoom options, let's set a custom zoom. After clicking custom zoom, we can edit the prompt, and let's turn it from zoom 2 into zoom 1.7, and let's change the ratio from 1:1 to 3:1. Now click on submit, and there we go. We now have a widescreen version with 4 variations of the upscaled Tanjiro image we initially started out with. As you can see, the zoom out features with Midjourney are really quite robust and are applicable to so many different things. Feel free to experiment with these settings with any AI generated image you wish. And that's really all there is to it, how to use the zoom out feature in Midjourney on Discord. If you have any other questions or inquiries regarding any of these steps, feel free to leave a comment down below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this kind of content, and we'll see you all in the next one. Take care for now.